welcome to the March edition of this month's experiment from the Reuben H. Fleet Science Center in San Diego. Special thanks to the Exploratorium for this really cool experiment. It's called Turbulent Atmospheres, and we're actually going to make something that simulates the atmosphere of a planet. So right now we're in Giant Worlds. It's our brand new premiering exhibit, and it'll be here until May 4th. Be sure to come on in and check it out. Alright, so you're going to need some soap that has glycol stearate in it. It's kind of that ivory looking creamy soap that this one's soft soap, it works. You're going to need some food coloring, not very much, any color you'd like, some water, and then a really small water bottle. The rounder the water bottle, the better. So it's really easy to make. All we're going to do is take our empty water bottle, fill it with 1/3 soft soap, we're going to add some food coloring. I chose blue. So just about a drop. And then you're going to fill the rest with water. All right. Now to make sure your turbulent atmosphere works, you're going to shake it up. And I'm actually going to transfer to the bigger one to demonstrate what's going on here. Because the more light you actually shine on your orb when you make it, or your atmosphere, the better. And so right now, if I turn it slowly, it's pretty calm. All the currents are actually parallel right now. But if I move it a little bit faster, everything gets a little bit more chaotic. So there's actually some eddies being created, some vortices. Everything's kind of going in a different direction, especially when you slow it down a little bit. So this is actually an analogous example of a planetary atmosphere. So in a planet you have an atmosphere of gases, and those gases create some friction between each other and also with the surface of the planet. So you get some pretty interesting things. So this is actually really similar to how atmospheres from different planets work. So planets have different gases around them and they're at different altitudes. So as the planet's spinning, it kind of drags everything along with it. So there's actually friction between those different gases. There's also going to be friction between the gases and the surface of the planet. So all these things combined will create different kinds of waves and swirls and eddies and vortices in that atmosphere. That's why we call it a bit turbulent. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this month's experiment. Tune in next month. Also remember you can find the PDF files and more videos at www.rhfleet.org/education. Remember to come and see Giant Worlds until May 3rd. And also remember, do try this at home.